Hey guys, so this is the continuation of the previous. If you watch the previous video, so this is the continuation. Remember that I made another deposit of 120 euros, right? So you remember very well. So the money has now landed. It's landed on from crypto.com to Binance right now. So the next thing you do is to come to wallet and fiat wallet, because you actually need to change XLM coin to USDT, right? So you can see we received USDT right here. So what you need to do is just to go to the market, to trade it. You trade XLM to USDT. We are going to change XLM to USDT. So right, so now what you do now is just to come to fiat market, then USDT, then XLM. Get to XLM, use XLM slash USDT. So you click on it. When you click on it, it's loading. Beautiful, right? So then you come to sell right here, because we want to sell our XLM rather. We want to sell it to USDT. Then you come to the market, click on market, then you click on 100% right here. So we sell everything off once. So that's all. So then after it has been sold, then you need to go back to your wallet here. So let's refresh the wallet. So you see the wallet has turned from XLM coin to USDT now. So the next thing is to transfer this USDT from wallet, the normal wallet, deposit wallet, to P2P, because if you don't transfer, you won't be able to sell. I made that mistake from the first video where I talked about have cash. So if you don't get it right there, I not on call me for it. So you need to grab it right here now. So what you do is just to go to transfer. You need to, after you have sold your coin, the coin that you buy and change to USDT here, you need to transfer it to from fiat and spot wallet to P2P. You choose P2P. Anything that you don't really understand, you can get in touch. So I'll be here to help you. So change to max. Then you click on confirm. So that money, you can see that money is no more here, right? So it's now in P2P. So the next thing we're going to do is just to come to this place and click on P2P trading. Get into P2P trading. When you get to P2P trading, so you might not need to searching for anybody that want to buy here. You can even sell now at Express. People love to be selling at Express right now, so I will not be doing any research about the person that want to buy. So it's loading right. So okay, then you click on sell, because you want to sell our coins. So USDT, then the currency right here, you need to change it to Naira. Confirm this. You need to confirm this. Then you click on all. We are selling all. So 71,883. That is what we are getting back. I don't know if you remember. So confirm sale. So we're expecting 71,351,000 Naira. 71,371 Naira. So this guy is going to send us 71,371 Naira. So before we release the coin to him, please don't release your coin until you confirm your money from your bank account. Okay, so we're expecting him to make the payment, so we'll be waiting for him. So maybe what I'll do is just to pause this video till it make, because I don't know, but I not believe that within 10 minutes the guy must have made the payment, so that this play will be clickable, and when we confirm the payment, then we send his money to him. Okay, so you know how you enter, you this your bank account. All you need to do just to come to this more payment settings, then you enter your bank account there. So automatically when you want to sell, it will come out that okay, I'm here to receive your fund for you. So I don't know, you still remember how much we deposited yesterday when we deposited 120. Okay, you can see this guy is asking me for the name, did not get it right. So let me just type it to him, because I don't know why Binance did my name like that. So most of them, they used to ask me, I don't get this your name. So I just typed it to the guy now, to the buyer. So because we want to, it's already online, want to make the payments. So let's just wait for him and let's see how it's gonna be. So you can see this is a lucrative business. So if I will advise you to join the inner caucus. All right, if you join the inner caucus, you will enjoy this business more than you think, because you will be able to, the restriction, hacking restriction, the legitimate hacking restriction that I'm talking about. Can see the guy has paid. You don't have issue with it, but cannot be sharing the hacking on here on public like this. You can see I got a lot right now, and so I have to confirm. Let me log into the app and confirm how much this guy paid. Let me confirm how much this guy paid. So I have to confirm how much he paid. So yesterday, if you remember, we were charged 63,477 naira. If we go to the beginning, if we go to the the previous video, you will see the debit there. I talk about it. So 63,477 naira, and right now we got 71,603.51. So now let's go to the calculator. Let's go to the calculator. 71,351 at least, to see how much we made. 0.42 minus what the bank debited when we recharged and when we deposited 120 euro. 663,477. That was what bank debited. So now we made 7,874 naira 42 kobo. That is what we made. So we need to release this coin now and end the transaction. Then I will now deposit again. So that is how this thing will roll. That is how we will roll. That is how we roll. So my advice for you is just to join the inner caucus. It's just token that you pay. You can see the money, your money. You can even make your money in a day. The money you're gonna pay, and you'll be enjoying the inner circle secret every time. We're enjoying it every time. So guys, this is how it works. This is how it works. So I want to release the coin, but I'm trying to confirm. Let me just pause this video a little bit, so at least to confirm the payment. So the money is now inside the account balance. So we are going to release the coin. We are going to release the coin. Send me the code. That's it. That's the end. So this no transaction has been done. So we just made a profit now. So I want to deposit another money and do another transaction. So that is how we roll. So what you need to do is just to go to the link below if you are ready to join my team. If you are ready to join the inner Kakos team, all right, so all you need to do is just to go to the link on the first link on the description below this video. Click on it, make the payment of just 30,000 naira, then you start benefiting how you can be spending like something else every day. So that's it, guys. So I would like to sign out here. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, I want you to subscribe to this channel, like this video, share with your friends. Feel free to watch any free stream that you want to watch on this channel. And if you have anything on your mind that want me to make video on it, you can just drop it on comment section. Then if you have question about this, you can just drop it on comment section as well. So I will attend to it. Thank you very much. I remain yours, Adeyemi Oluwaseun. See you later.